Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. This is the latest weather forecast for United States from March 7th to March 9th, so before starting the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss any essential updates from this channel. Thank you. You need to watch the complete video to have better knowledge. A complex weather system evolving over the central U.S. will bring showers and thunderstorms with the threat of severe weather and flash flooding to the southern plains southeast, a risk of wildfires in the high plains, and some areas of heavy snow over the Rockies central high plains over the next couple of days. Upper-level troughing approaching from the west will help to deepen, organize a low-pressure, frontal system over the southern plains, further reinforced by a Pacific system moving in from the west. Southerly moist Gulf return flow ahead of a sharpening dryline will bring increasing shower and thunderstorm chances to the southern plains beginning as early as Thursday morning. Increasing deep layer shear with the approach of the upper-level trough as well as sufficient CAPE will bring the threat for a few severe thunderstorms, and the Storm Prediction Center has highlighted central Texas and western Oklahoma, south-central Kansas with slight risks of severe weather, level 2 and 5, for some instances of large hail along with damaging winds and an isolated tornado. In addition, the increasing moisture will lead to some heavier downpours, and the threat for a couple rounds of storms evolving downstream over North Texas Thursday evening has prompted a slight risk of excessive rainfall, level 2-4, for some scattered instances of flash flooding, particularly for urban areas in the DFW Metroplex. Very dry conditions will exist west of the dryline over the southern high plains, which when combined with warm temperatures and gusty winds has prompted a critical risk of fire weather, level 2-3, form the Storm Prediction Center. To the northwest, a secondary frontal system pushing southward will bring much colder air into the central Rockies, high plains. Areas of moderate to heavy snow are expected to continue through the day Thursday for portions of the central Rockies, particularly along the Front Range in Colorado. In addition, confidence has increased in a round of snow bands moving through portions of 1-2 inches plus per hour and several inches of accumulating snow, with winter storm warnings now in effect. The snow should come to an end for the high plains into Friday morning, with chances in the mountains shifting southward into the southern Rockies. The system will continue eastward Friday, with an expanding area of shower and thunderstorms spreading into the Midwest, lower Mississippi Valley, and southeast. A reinforcing influx of more anomalous moisture flowing northward with a warm front from the Gulf will bring a higher threat for more widespread heavy downpours compared to Thursday, with the expectation that clusters of storms will bring repeated rounds of rainfall along the frontal boundary into Friday night. A moderate risk of excessive rainfall, level 3-4, has been introduced from east-central Alabama into northern Georgia where wet antecedent conditions from the night before will further help increase the threat for some scattered to numerous instances of flash flooding, particularly for urban areas in the greater Atlanta region. A broader slight risk is in place from the lower Mississippi Valley eastward through the southern Appalachians. Another round of severe weather is also expected, with a slight risk of severe weather stretching from eastern Texas, southeastern Oklahoma through the lower Mississippi Valley and towards the central Gulf Coast. Large hail, damaging winds, and a few tornadoes are all possible.